Our first simple program. To start working in our program, we use the text editor brackets. So let's start working on our simple program right now. I want to create a variable called name and assign it with print to display on the screen to the user. Then put brackets and type input inside the brackets, which means to prompt the user to type something. And type another brackets and put a string signs that's your name. Or you can put whatever you like. After that, I want to create another variable called age and assign it with print. Then open brackets and put input to prompt the user to type whatever they want. Then open another brackets and type what is your age. Finally, I want to display to the user thanks message. So type print and open brackets, string signs, and thank you for using my program. So now, save your work and try on terminal now and see what we did. Cool! Now enjoy with your Python program. Thanks for watching. Simple program to calculate age. We first go to brackets. So here is just a comment and it's not gonna hurt the program. Then I type print to display a little information about the program, such as answer the questions to know how long you have lived in this life. After that, I will make a variable called name and assign it to input. Then open brackets, string signs with the word name. Alright, then print, open brackets with the string signs, and I will type, for example, what's your age? Comma, open brackets with the variable name that we did above, comma, and question marks with the string signs. Now, I will make a variable called age and assign it to int. Int means integer. Integer only takes whole numbers. Now, open brackets, input, and open brackets, string signs, the word age. As you can see here, it's just a comment for you. Then type days equals age multiplied to 365, which means to convert it to years. We also gonna convert minutes and seconds. The last thing we gonna display the days, minutes, and seconds. But we should write the variable's name to be displayed also. Then we print a thank you message. Save your work and try on terminal right now. Alright, don't forget to use Python 3. Then enjoy your program. Thanks for watching.